So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, scroll down and try to search in for your phone settings. So tap on the settings, and when it opens like this, scroll down and tap on this, which is the app management. Now tap on apps. After that, wait for it to load. And after loading, what you have to do is to tap over here at the three lines. Now tap on show system. Now tap on search application. And now what you have to do is to search in for Google. Then you type in PL and you're going to see Google Play Store and Google Play Services. So let's select the first option, which is Google Play Services. Now let's tap over here notifications. Then after that, what you have to do is to turn on notification. Now go back and tap on storage and cache. Now make sure you clear the cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure you turn on the background data. So after that, you have to go back, then you tap on force stop over here. Now tap on OK. Now what you have to do next is to tap on this three lights at the top right corner. Tap on uninstall updates. Then after that, this is going to pop up. You have to tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, go back. Then you tap on Google Play Store. Now tap on notifications. Turn allow notifications on. Go back and tap on the storage and cache again. Then you tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is on. You have to go back after doing this. Tap on the force stop, which is down below. Now this is going to pop up. Tap on OK. Then after that, you tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap over here on uninstall update. Tap on OK. Then after that, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu again. Now tap on your power button. Tap on restart and try to restart your device. And after restarting your device, this problem is going to get fixed. If it doesn't get fixed, just let me know in the comment section down below and I'm going to help you out with a different trick. See you in our next video.